This is a question that was asked yesterday, so thanks Mark for asking this, and I'll try and explain it in layman's terms as much as I can. So Mark asked me which part of the brain would have preference in a life or death situation. So I'm going to try and answer it in layman's terms, like I said. So in a life or death situation, it would be the part of the brain called the amygdala that takes the centre stage. And it would be that part of the brain that will initiate the immediate response and not the prefrontal cortex like I was explaining. So the amygdala is the region of the brain which is involved in processing your emotions and particularly fear. And it'll play a central role in triggering the fight or flight response whenever you're faced with a threat. It reacts quickly to any perceived danger by sending signals to other parts of your brain, such as the hypothalamus and the brainstem, in order to activate the body's physiological stress response. Now, this response is essential for survival in immediate danger, and it prepares your body to either confront the threat or escape from it. But, on the other hand, the prefrontal cortex, located at the front of your brain, is involved in higher order cognitive functions such as decision making, planning and even impulse control. Now, whilst this part of the brain can influence our response to threatening situations, as we know, its role in that immediate life or death situation is quite limited, as it generally operates a lot slowly compared to the amygdala. But once that initial threat has passed and you've dealt with that immediate danger, the prefrontal cortex might become more involved in processing the situation. So assessing what's happened, making decisions about what you're going to do if you're faced with the police, if you have to go to court, things like that. And it can help you evaluate the consequences of different courses of action and regulate the emotional response in the aftermath of a life or death or life-threatening event. So I hope that answers your question, Mark, and once again, thank you very much. Take care.